Alright, we made it. Alright. This is what I wanted to do. What's up, buddy? Woo! Just gotta be careful around turns, cause novice. Especially turns with gravel. That wasn't a good look. That's a lot of people that did not like my presence. Today might not have been the best day to come here. That's deep dirt. Holy shit. That would have been fun to hit at 50. Again with the just random deep dirt. Love it. It's all from we had a like major flood that all came down within the scope of like 3 to 4 hours, but the major brunt of it came down in about 2 hours all at once. And so this place I'm sure suffered a lot of flooding damage. That was last week already, and there's still signs of cleanup in progress. Although this place is unionized, so I can't imagine they're cleaning up with any sort of haste anyway. These are real bikers. Can't get a picture of my plate because I don't have one. Hey Mom, don't be pissed. It's illegal. So nice when you don't have to pedal. The doorbell worked. Alright, I got a doorbell, I just gotta rev my engine. Peace, guys.